Is Reddit down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Reddit right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Reddit. So if you try to go on Twitter and then if you search for Reddit down, and then if you go to latest tweet, you will see that people are complaining with some problems on Reddit right now. For example, this one, can't view community. You currently cannot view this community. If you think you should be able to view this community, consider contacting its moderators. And then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that people are commenting nonstop that Reddit is down. So you don't have to worry because this problem it's not from you, it's from them. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below. If you want to try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out, and then log in once again and see if it works. But if it doesn't, don't worry because they will fix this as soon as possible. Like I said, comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you with your problems. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.